Hey, good morning. We are here in Cat Ba, and today we're going to be doing a trip here on this boat behind us. So let's do a little island hopping, see some other cool stuff along the way, and I'll explain as I go. One of the most popular excursions to do while in Cat Ba is to do the one-day boat tour. You're going to see things like the floating fishing village, Lan Ha Bay, Ha Long Bay, Monkey Island, kayaking, swimming, and also see naturally formed coral beaches. The majority of our time was spent in Lan Ha Bay and only touched the southern part of Ha Long Bay, which is a lot busier. The boats here came in many sizes, some big and some small. As you can tell, our day did start with a lot of clouds and overcast, but hopefully that'll clear up later. The dramatic rock formations here were caused by geology, time, and water, and about 500 million years. It's time to have a little bit of fun. The scenery here is nothing short of majestic. It's time to get off this big boat and get on something a little smaller, like a kayak. Well, that was a fun time kayaking, but we gotta get back on the big boat. Like the vast majority of the full day tours and excursions around here, lunch is included. You didn't really think there was gonna be a cruise without a shore excursion, did you? Once we got onto dry land, half of us got into this super mega golf cart thingy, and we're going to a special destination. You'll notice bicycles up ahead of us, and that's because the other half of the people are taking the bicycles for the approximately 10 kilometers to the destination. Upon reaching our destination, we find a pool where there's these little massage fish. Really, they're just eating the dead skin off of your feet, but you can put your feet in. Let's see what happens. Oh, this is gonna be weird. Oh, God. Oh, they see me. They smell my feet. They're not running away for some odd reason. And yeah, it's freaky. Oh, I gotta take my feet out. Okay, I'm no quitter. I gotta try this again. All right, the feet go in. Fish, come on to my feet. All right. You fish would feast if I had just finished a long distance hiking trail. All right, they're doing their job. They're doing well. All right, thanks, fish. This isn't too bad. This strange device looks like a form of a mortar and pestle for crushing things. Now that we've had the fish foot massage, it's time to head back to the boat. So the other half of us, well, we get to take these bicycles all the way back through the countryside. It's gonna be beautiful. As we head back to the port, do you notice something about the sky? Yeah, looks like the sun is finally starting to come out. Wow, the colors really pop in these geological formations in better sunlight. The sun is starting to get lower on the horizons, so we're just going to enjoy these views while we can. We've arrived at Monkey Island. Yep, there are monkeys on the shore, but I will not be setting foot on the island because ethically I cannot support it. These monkeys are specifically brought here just for tourists. Naturally, they do not occur here. The resources on the island cannot support them, and they must rely on the tourism industry to feed them. But others have elected to jump in and swim to the island.
It's all right.
If you don't want to swim, there are taxi boats that will take you over for a minimal charge. The sun is finally setting and we've had a great day. As we get closer to pulling into port, we get a closer look at the fish farms. Here the local fishermen can cultivate the fish in a more controlled manner. Although personally, I prefer wild caught. Thanks for watching, and if you're ever in Katba, I highly recommend doing the full one-day boat tour. It's definitely rewarding. And whether or not you decide to go to Monkey Island, that's a personal choice.